Good morning, friends. Hope all of you are safe, doing well. Wish you all the best. Today, we may discuss something about the general heard term e commerce. What is e commerce? E commerce is nothing but a sort of online trading of various goods and services. Practically, e commerce operators are facilitators, not necessarily the wholesalers or the traders or the manufacturers. We must have heard about Amazon, Flipkart, and such big chains. They are the e commerce operators or facilitators. Practically, what happens for every businessman, it is difficult to reach the consumers at large in the country or in the world as a whole. So these sort of e-commerce operators help out in this thing. Sellers put their goods on that e-commerce operators portal, get themselves registered, display the products there, and enters into an agreement for which e-commerce operators charge some service charges from them, but the producers or the sellers are unable to reach a very large community. And one thing I may make clear to you, that each and every e-commerce operator is bound to be registered under the GST Act, even if the producer or the wholesaler whose products are being sold through e-commerce operator, even if they are not registered, still e-commerce operators are supposed to be registered with the GST. There is no threshold limit for the e-commerce operators to be got registered under GST. And there is one more provision in the Income Tax Act and GST Act, that when the e-commerce operator transfers payments to the sellers or the producers, it is bound to deduct 1% of the turnover as TDS, that is called TCS, tax collection at source, which is deposited in PAN of that seller or producer, the benefit of which the producer or the seller can take while filing its income tax return. This has been done by the department to control any sort of non-filing of the proper or adequate returns or bills by the sellers or the producers. E-commerce operators are very common nowadays, and it leads to economies also, because as such there are no expenses of the showroom of the staff of any other things, like Amazon is facilitating so many sellers and producers, and the cost or the service charges charged by the e-commerce operators are very nominal. Hence, it gives good quality and competitive prices to the consumers at large. It is a growing concept and it helps the consumers by saving their time and providing the goods at economical and competitive prices. This is something broad concept of the e-commerce. Still, if you have any query, you are most welcome to talk to me.